Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video guys, we will see how we can solve the issue unable to resolve service for type I session store. So what we are trying to do here, so I try to use the session here, and this is a .NET Core 8.0 application. Now similar way works in .NET Core 6.0 and 7.0 also. So what we were trying to do is add a session here. So you, as you know, in .NET Core for adding a session we cannot use that directly, but we have to first add the middleware in the program.cs file. Now I did added the middleware here to use session, but still it is giving the error. So you can say it is not able to activate the session middleware, which is this use session. Now the main reason behind this is that when you try to use session in .NET Core application, then what you have to do is you have to go before the build line, and there you have to add the session service also. So how you will do that is you have to do add session. So by doing this you will be able to add the service before using that middleware. So now we will just run the application, and this time you will see that we will not get the same error that we were getting earlier. So here I will execute this line. So you can see this line has not given any error, so basically that issue has been resolved. So this is how you can fix your middleware issue with session and use session in your project. So thank you guys.